For this project, I will be trying to answer the question, which materials serve as the best insulation for water? I will be using sand, plastic grass, and fiber stuffing as my insulators. My hypothesis is that the sand will be the best insulator due to the fact that it is packed together more tightly than the other two materials. The first thing I did for this experiment was to gather all the materials necessary: a glass cup, 3 plastic milk cartons, fiber stuffing, aquarium sand, and plastic grass. Then, using a ruler, I measured the glass in which I would put the heated water to make sure that it would fit within the milk cartons. Once I had my measurements, I cut the milk carton a few inches above where the glass was to make sure that it would fit inside properly and still have room for the insulators. Once I had all 3 milk cartons cut, I placed the glasses inside of them and then put the insulating material around the glasses, being very careful so that I did not get any inside of the glasses. After that, I filled a pot with 4 cups of water and let it sit there until it was 169 degrees. I then poured the water into the glasses and started a timer. Every 2 minutes, for 30 minutes, I would take the temperature of the water in each glass. After completing the experiment, I discovered that my original hypothesis was incorrect. I believed that the sand would be the best insulator due to being the most tightly packed around the glass with water. Instead, the material that proved to be the best insulator was the plastic grass. After thinking about this, I now believe that the insulation that provides air pockets around the substance may help hold a temperature for a longer period of time. In fact, my data showed that the sand ended up being the material that let the temperature drop the most. This shows that materials with the least amount of density are the best insulators compared to materials that are packed more tightly together.